Alright, if anybody's wondering what a Borla dual exhaust with a MagnaFlow, I don't know, resonator, muffler, whatever that is. Doesn't sound awesome, sounds okay. Definitely smoother, and it's not blowing my eardrums out. So that's kind of nice. It's like raspy. Kind of like almost like an old rally car. The D cell, it's pretty quiet. It's moderately quiet in here. I mean, it's not super loud. I have all the windows open, so probably why it sounds loud. Doing this one-handed sucks. Can't grab gears. Trying to get to the middle so I can grab second instead of third. You guys get the idea.